Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox RTX, focusing on achieving stunning, ray tracing-like visuals. We'll start by understanding what RTX means in the context of Roblox, as it typically involves third-party enhancements. Then, we'll dive into the necessary hardware and software requirements, ensuring your system is ready. Finally, we'll explore the various tools and methods available to significantly upgrade your Roblox graphical experience, making your gameplay more immersive and visually appealing. This guide will help you transform your Roblox visuals. To truly experience enhanced Roblox graphics, a robust setup is key. You'll ideally need a dedicated graphics card, such as an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 20 series or a comparable AMD Radeon card, to handle the visual demands. Make sure your operating system, like Windows 10 or 11, is completely up to date and always install the latest graphics drivers. Additionally, having at least 16 gigabytes of system RAM and a modern multi-core processor will ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience, preventing lag and improving overall responsiveness. Now, let's get into applying these exciting graphics enhancements. A popular method involves using third-party shader injection tools, such as Reshade or Rawshade, which allows you to introduce advanced visual effects like global illumination and ambient occlusion. You can also download and install custom texture packs and lighting configurations from various trusted community sources to further refine the look. Remember to carefully configure your in-game graphics settings, often setting them to 8 or 10, to perfectly complement these external enhancements, ensuring you achieve the best possible visual fidelity and a truly immersive experience. Finally, let's talk about optimizing your performance and troubleshooting any issues. It's essential to adjust both your in-game and shader settings to strike a perfect balance between stunning visuals and a consistently smooth frame rate. If you encounter common problems like crashes or significantly low frame rates, start by verifying your graphics driver updates and ensuring all your installed mods are compatible. Don't hesitate to engage with the vibrant online communities and forums. They are excellent resources for specific advice and solutions to any unique challenges you might face, helping you enjoy your enhanced Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.